Oh, stop that. Go see the thing, Kisa. Ooh, grass, Kisa. You careful. Come on, follow Daddy over here. Come on. Come on. Over here. Happened. Happened. Ichi? Yeah, Ichi. See, come on, Kisa. Bo, where are you going? Huh? What? Uh-oh, it's gonna rain. Rainbow, yo. You okay, Kisa? Come on. Go look for, thing, Kisa. Let's go look. Let's go look for, what do you call it? Come on, Kisa, over here. Guavas. Come here, Baba, guava. Come on. Go look for guava. Here, look. Where the guava at? Where is it? Huh? Be careful, don't fall over there. My baby guava. Huh? My baby, look. Oh. Huh? Oh. My baby, look, over here, look, baby. Look.
Oh. This one.
You see that? Kisa, let me see. Let me see. Say hi to grandma. Kisa, say hi to grandma. Say hi, grandma. Ew, Kisa. Come here, wait. Oh my goodness. Oh, come here, over here. Come on, let's go. Look for another guava over here. Yeah. Man. How about that one, Kisa? Look. Look in there. Guavas in there. Okay, Baba, look over here. Get guavas? Huh? More? Right here. Guava tree. Huh? What is that? Kisa, look over here, look. What? Huh? I'm going there, Kisa. It's dirty. Brendan, show us the flower you saw over there. Show me the flower. Where is it? No, the one you found over there. Show Daddy. Is it pretty?
Flower.
Pretty?
Flower.
Come on, let's go. Ooh, what's that? Goodness.
Here, bugs.
What?
Don't touch this bugs.
Some more bugs in there, Kisa. Go smell it, Kisa. Smell good or what?
Mother?
Let me see. Let me see. Let's smell it. Ew, stink.
Ew, dick. Wait.
Come on, leave it alone now. Come on.
Ew.
Huh? Say hi, Grandma. Hey, come here. Over here. Say hi, Auntie.
Hi, Auntie.
Look at the camera over here. Look at Daddy. Where you going? Bye, Giza. Bye.